it's Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. This week's Canva Quick Tip is talking about frames. Now, there are two areas that are called frames in Canva, and the ones I'm going to look at are the ones that actually do create a frame around an image. Let's go over to my Canva screen and we'll take a look. So the frames I'm looking at today are the frames that are in the Apps section. And as before, you can find apps under Discover Apps on your home menu. I'll just click Frames here. So I could do this and use it in a design. That actually brings a photo in already, but I also want to show you from scratch. So I'm not going to go that way. I'm going to go to my design screen. I'm going to open an Instagram post. And in my upload section, I'm going to add this photo. That's me walking along a beach where I live in Portugal. As I said, there are two sections in Canva called frames. And you can see frame does come up here at the top. And these are the frames that you can put a photo in, and then it takes that shape. But the frames I'm going to look at are the ones that come under Edit Image or Discover Apps, as we looked earlier. And you'll scroll down and find them here. And if I click See All, you can see it's added the image that I've already put on my Instagram post. And now I can just change the framing around it. So if I click here, I can have a black laptop, move it to a white laptop. And you can see how very easy this is to do. And it adds a different depth and dimension. This is changed to a vertical image. And you can see there's some dots on here, which if I click on those, I can crop the position. I can move that to the left or I can move it to the right. If I want it slightly off center, I'd go there. And then I can just click Apply. So these adjustments are really useful. I can change it to a white framed phone. I can make it a white tablet, though that looks a bit silvery to me. I can go old-fashioned and make it a Polaroid picture in either black or white. And again, these little indicators means that you can change what you want to do, crop position. And then you can have what look like picture frames. This one's the neon blue. Here's a neon pink, neon turquoise, neon yellow. And then you have a glittery frame, glitter of gold, a rose, or a silver. Just an old-fashioned film frame, another version of it. Then you can add paint strokes, which just look like brush strokes inside. You can have paint corners. And the circle ones are really nice too. So this is a gold circle with leaves, a gold pentagon, a gold square, dark wood, which is more vertical position again, dots, vintage frame, a circle wire, a circle bottom of the flowers, and a deco gold. The deco gold doesn't show up so well. I could make my image more transparent by clicking on the transparency button here. Unfortunately, the gold is disappearing into the sand. And that's all the effects that you have. I hope you do try them. I'm going to go back and make this circle wire and apply it. Then I can make it larger, and I can download it as normal or post it directly to my Instagram account. That's the frames that create a border around your photo from the Frames app. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next week for next week's Canva Quick Tip.